This iconic vehicle would be tested in some of the toughest operations of the Second World War.
By the time of D-Day, the Jeep was battle-proven, having been used in North Africa and Italy. And one of the great things about the Jeep was it was proven to be soldier-proof. Soldiers have a really nasty habit of breaking stuff, and that's the key to a good military design. It's got to be robust, utilitarian, and pretty much unbreakable. And the Jeep ticked all those boxes.
The Jeep had a much bigger impact in the Second World War than it's often given credit for.
Jeep was shorthand for GP, Government Purpose, the generic term for military vehicles in World War II.
With the Jeep, you could take it anywhere. You could drive it up the mountains, you could take it in the desert, across fields, through rivers. It didn't matter, it kept going.